Hey there friends, Birdie here, and I am putting together this comfy and cozy tray kit. This is a kit we've had on our website since probably the beginning. It's one of the first kits we listed, and we had painted it with some red and brown tones, but I cannot find the picture for it. And we didn't have an inspirational photo on our website, and so I thought, well, I'm gonna recreate it and repaint it. And this season I am loving this blue, so we're going with a soft gray blue, and a white, and then a warm sand color, using it as a stain, creating that faux stain with a baby wipe. So I start out painting everything with the color I choose, then I sand everything, and then I repaint it with the second coat, and then I start assembling it and adding the fun details, such as some shading and polka dots and stripes on the hats and things like that. But this is just one way that you can finish this project. I hope in the end that this inspires you to get creative and think about different ways that you can finish these DIY kits using the colors that you love. If you do create this project, I would love to see a picture. You're welcome to private message me it or post it on our social media. The links are in the description below. Make sure to hit the subscribe button because we will have more tutorials coming soon. Thanks for watching, guys, and happy crafting!